Hello, 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 hello! Welcome back sa ating channel mga Itachi Warrior. In today's video talaga naman, babalikan natin na naman, charis, si One Hand. O diba? One Hand versus One Hand. Alright, kasi meron tayong account. Meron pa akong available credit limit kay One Hand na loan app. Versus doon, versusan ito, versusan te. Kasi syempre 'di ba si TikTok Pay Later, yung aking TikTok Pay Later credit limit is provided by One Hand din. Nakakaloka hindi ba? So doble ite. So babalikan natin or kumustahin natin. Kumusta ba ang paserbisyo talaga ni One Hand? Kasi bali-balita ko ang daming natutuwa kasi nga 'di ba? Aside from the standalone na One Hand loan app, alam niyo naman may sariling loan app si One Hand. And iba pa yung TikTok Pay Later, pero siya pa rin yung credit provider ko. So, i-compare ba natin Itachi Warrior? Kumusta ba? Okay, so, may good news, Akira, sa aking TikTok! Yes, nag-increase po! Si TikTok Pay Later, nag-increase siya. In-increasean ako. As you can see, mga mima, 6,300! O, diba? From 5,000, naging 6,300 na siya. This was after I made a payment, o diba? Pagkatapos kong magbayad in full nung 25, kasi every 25 ang aking due date kay TikTok Pay Later. Talaga naman, agad-agad kung gaano kabilis yung posting ng aking payment, kasi via GCash siya, diba? Kapag nilink mo naman yung GCash mo, tapos may laman yung GCash mo, agad-agad mahuhugot agad yung payment doon. So talaga naman ang bilis nung pangyayari, o diba? Based on my experiences with TikTok Pay Later. Ang ingay naman yun. Oh no! Okay, based on my experiences with TikTok Pay Later, talaga ang bilis niya mag-post ng payment and mag-increase talaga naman ng credit limit. So after I made the payment, eto nang bumungad sa akin mga memoria. We've increased your limit to 6,300. Sandali, parang ay lang zero. Okay, akala ko naman 6 million. 6,300 pesos. Congratulations. Starting February 24, 2025, you are eligible for a new credit limit. You can now enjoy extra purchasing power with Pay Later. Ang sabi. Tapos, syempre, pag-check ko, paano ba talaga nag-increase ang aking credit limit? Pero I believe and die. Charis. So, naniniwala ko, yun yung isa sa mga factor talaga, yung pagbabayad ko on time, 'di ba? So how to increase your limit? Paano ba 'yan, Team Marcos? So use Pay Later often. Kasi ako, isa pa 'yan. Gamit na gamit ko talaga si Pay Later. Every time na mag-order ako ng item sa TikTok shop, tita, always talaga naman. Si Pay Later ang gamit ko. So every time, kasi ang dami kong in-order para ma-maintain ko tong kakinisan, o diba? Sobrang Latina ite, charis. So, kakinisan ng aking sasakyan, o diba? Nagmumukha ng Latina tong sasakyan ko, mga mima. Sa ko, linis ko. So, every time kasi, nag-order ako ng parang hydrophobic na panglinis-linis sa mga sa gilid, sa body mismo ng sasakyan ko, at ang kinis-kinis niya. Sobrang Latina. So, ayan, gamit na gamit ko si Pay Later. So, ang dami kong in-order. Siyempre, meticulous ako. Talagang ako sa mga ganyan, kalinisan. Charis. Hindi. Napaka-big deal sa akin yung malinis yung aking lugar. O, diba? So, ayun. And then, make repayments on time. So, dalawa lang naman ang hinihingi ni Pay Later para ma-increasean kayo ng credit limit. Use Pay Later often. Unlock higher limits as you make the most of this payment method. So, and then make repayments on time. So, magbayad lang on time, wag malilate. And of course, making repayments on time helps your credit record and helps you continue keeping your limit. So, ganun siya mga mima. So, and then, yan yung after ko magbayad, agad-agad talaga nag-increase siya, tita. And then, pagbukas ko na naman, tita, siguro, close ko yung app, and then, parang, siguro after a couple of hours, binuksan ko ulit yung TikTok app ko. Tapos, pumunta agad ako sa aking pay later. Nag-increase na naman. We've increased your limit to 7,100 Kinambular pesos. Congratulations! This offer expires on March 4, 2025. Enjoy greater financial flexibility now with Pay Later. So, ibig sabihin, itong in-increase nila from 6,300, okay, yung difference nung, in-increase nila to 7,100, temporary lang naman siya. Okay, temporary siya kasi, ito, sabi, it will expire on March 4 daw. So, para siyang 1 week, no? 1 week. Pero ang aking limit na talaga is 6,300. Yun na talaga yung pinaka-credit limit ko as of the moment. Okay. Pwede pang tumaas yan, hindi ba? Kapag talagang gamit na gamit ko si TikTok Pay Later at nagbabayad ako on time. Okay, so yun siya. And then, so, ang sabi dito, credit available is 7,100 na. Okay. Includes 800. 800 ang nadagdag, which is temporary limit siya. Ganun pala siya. So, ito yung detalye, Credit limit details. Okay. Very siya, very detailed at talaga naman klaro yung mga detalye na binibigyan ni TikTok Pay Later. Tignan mo, yung 6,300. Ito yung pinaka-permanent limit ko. Antaray! Increase your limit by shopping often and paying your bills on time. Temporary limit 800. Okay. So, ayun na yun. Yun yung offer which expires March 4. Pero, yung parang hinihikayat kanya na gamitin. Parang ganun. Naman kanya-kanyang trip naman yan at saka diba? Yung mga lending. So, anyways, maganda naman to. And, puntahan naman natin ang aking one hand. Yung stand-alone na one hand loan app. So, previously sa mga video ko napanood, yung mga video ko panoorin nyo about one hand, 8,000 ang aking credit limit doon. Okay, so ibig sabihin, permanent credit limit ko with one hand yan. Alright, so as you can see, diba, may mga special offers sila. You can boost your credit limit by doing the following. To increase your credit limit. So, pwede kang mag-upload ng e-wallet transactions para proof na talagang gamit na gamit mo siguro si e-wallet transactions na maraming, alam mo yung flow, yung cash flow na sinasabi nila, di ba? Siguro gusto lang nila makita or whatnot. And then, you can also upload bank transactions, utility bills, yan. I tried this nung sa previous video ko, in-explain ko yan. Yung utility bills, nag-upload ako, pati yung e-wallet, nag-try ako. Siguro, yun nga, yung isa sa mga factor, kaya nag-increase din yung credit limit ko with one hand. Now, dito, sa aking credit limit, let's say 8,000 yung yung loan amount, gusto kong jutangin. Okay, so mahaba na yung kanyang terms, hindi na siya 1 month lang, up to 4 months na yung binigay sa akin, which is upgraded daw. Okay, so from 2,000, which is the minimum, and then 8,000 yung pinaka maximum na credit limit na po pwede kong jutangin. Alright, so buo ko siya makukuha, yun yung kagandahan niya. And then let's say 4,000, 8,000 ang aking loan amount, buo siyang makukuha. Monthly repayment ko is going to be 2,799, which is pretty much reasonable naman, diba? Kung talagang gusto mo lang naman na pang emergency or gusto ko lang magkaroon ng kaperahan sa wallet, diba? Para ready na kapag may boylet. Charit! Anyways, yung ganun siya, napakadali. So, what's the difference, Team Marcos? Kasi pareho namang one hand yan. Yung TikTok Shop, TikTok Pay Later kasi, though revolving credit limit din siya, which is you can use every time you you pay, nare-replenish naman yan. Ang kagandahan nito sa TikTok Pay Later, mabilis siyang mag-increase ng credit limit as long as you pay on time and you use Pay Later as your payment method kapag nagsha-shopping ka sa TikTok Shop. Okay, yun yung kagandahan niya. Ang disadvantage lang kasi nito, hindi mo siya maka-cash out. Hindi mo siya maka-cash out. Ka-cash out. Kasi nga, kailangan, ang purpose lang naman talaga niya, it is designed, di ba? Designed siya to use as payment method sa TikTok Shop. Yun lang yon. And then, dito naman sa one hand, cash loan talaga yon, te. Yung loan app na one hand, dito ka. Okay, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng cash, yung bill talaga gusto mo i-cash out, mag-cash loan ka with one hand. Yun yung kagandahan nun. Very flexible siya kasi meron siyang up to 4 months. Sa akin based on my account, meron siyang up to 4 months na flexible terms na pwede ko siyang though din sa TikTok Shop Pay Later, flexible din naman siya kasi pwede mo naman siya bayaran in 4 months din yata yung terms, by installment, diba? Antaray. So anyways, both are very good, diba? When it comes to lending in terms of mga pautangan, very talaga, very helpful sa ating mga kababayan din na gustong mag-put up ng small business. Go ahead, do it with one hand loan app. Diba? Kung gusto mo na mag-order shopping sa TikTok Shop, then use TikTok Pay Later as your payment method, diba? So, yun lang yon. I'm so happy ako sa service na binibigay sa akin ni One Hand. Yun lang. So, based on my experience yun walang halong kaek-ekan. This is an honest review, diba? One hand versus one hand. Taray, maraming salamat mga Mima. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for every time na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitetswang mga video review kayong unang majajambo na ng Chika Bembom. Anyways, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga suporta ninyo. We are 46,000 subscriber no. Thank you. Bye!